Alright, so I was asked to do a tutorial on how to do print and cut stickers from Cricut. So that's what I'm going to do here now. And it may be two parts because I don't know if I can get it all in one part. So I'm going to go down here to where it says blank canvas and click this white square. And then up at the top here it says color. I'm going to change the color of my canvas to this light blue color, just because you won't see, it'll help you be able to see the offset that I'm going to do for your stickers. So I'm going to click this first. This is a popsicle I found, and all of my images come from Cricut Design Space. I just went over to the side here, hit select images, I searched for summer, and then I searched for ice cream. They have some really cool designs. And I am going to go up to the top to click offset. Okay, so I'm going to move this over so you can still see what the heck's going on. So I'm going to click offset, and it's really hard to see, but there's like a blue line coming around this popsicle. So I'm going to click apply and see how I offset. It's in black now. So you want to change the color of your offset to white. So I just went over to my bar on the side here, selected offset, and then changed the color. So here is, now you have to, it's separate pieces. So this is one piece, and then there's your offset is like a separate piece. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and group those together just because. And then I'm going to go to this over here, make this a little bit bigger, and the same thing. I'm going to go up to offset. And as you move this dial, this makes it bigger or smaller. And alright, I went through and changed the color of the canvas, and I'm going to push this closer. If you can see that blue line, there's your offset. So you can play with like how big and how small you want it. I kind of like this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the color of it because you want the offset to be in white. Alright, so I'm going to have you like and follow for part 2 because I'm almost out of time. But just remember, your offsets have to be in white for this to work. And I will continue on the next video.